Today I am sharing potato scalloped. So for this, first we have to make white sauce. So this is butter. Now we have to put white flour. We have to roast in butter this white flour just for 7 to 8 minutes. It is white sauce recipe. I will use for potato scallop, but you can use as for pasta al forno, for lasagna, or white pasta. You can use for this. And then now it's 5 to 6 minutes or maybe 10 minutes you can roast it. And then we will add some milk. It's 200 gram white flour. I am making more. You can store it also for 1 week. You can store this sauce. Now I will add 1 liter milk here, and some black pepper powder, some oregano, and if you want some chili flakes you can add. So now it is already roasted, so I'm going to add milk now. Gradually we have to mix milk, so lumps will not come here. So now it's done. This white sauce, you can see it's a very smooth texture. Now we have to add some salt, black pepper. So it's salt to taste, according to your taste. I'm adding 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and we have to stir it, mix it well. If you want a spicy white sauce, then you can add some chili flakes, red chili flakes. We'll add some oregano also, half teaspoon oregano. So flavor will be very good, or enhance the flavor and taste. You can add. Done. The white sauce is ready. You can see the consistency of this sauce. And for potato scallop, it is very nice, with nice consistency. Now we have to turn off the gas. So this sauce is ready now. Now let's do for potato. Now potato we have to make ready, and then this is the white sauce and cheese, mozzarella cheese, some spring onion, and some onion I keep. So now we have to assemble this potato. So now we have to put first white sauce and then assemble the potato. Now we have to assemble this with onion, and then we will keep white sauce. Some spring onion, and then cheese, mozzarella cheese. So we will assemble like that. This now it's ready for bake. We have to put some cheese and then we have to bake. And now we have to pour the milk. Pour on the gap. So now it is ready to bake. This is also 350 degree we need to bake for 50 minutes, 50 to 55 minutes, and then it will be ready. This potato scalloped is ready. It's already baked. You can see the color. It is so good. Please try this recipe at home. And if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. For more details, you can check the description box.